Excited. What's up, guys? This is part 2. Is my mic muted? Nah, okay, we're good. This is part 2 of... Oh, wow, lag. Part 2 of the Warface, do I want to call it a series, or just like a thing I do? We're killing Billy Bob again. Oh, we're in. Okay, I think I'm gonna be a bit laggy, because I'm updating something on Steam, but whatever. Good v evil. What does that mean? Tip of the day. Players offering a variety of programs for quick in-game profits may be trying to steal your account and data. Bloody hunting. Ride the hovercraft through the... Oh, we have a hovercraft? That just looks like a big boat with tires on it. As you can, kill enemy with headshots, easy. Kill enemy with sliding, that's stupid. That's only what you see in the movies. That's actually retarded. No one's actually gonna do that in real life. Oh crap, I'm gonna pause my oh, it already paused, that's awkward. I all tapped out again in another recording. This is like 4 times in a row. How many times am I gonna do this, mate? Whatever, let's start with this Joel 190. What are these names, dude? I don't understand how people come up with these names. I go rot, Joel, Enoch, Kid just this. I can't even make. Oh, dude. Oh, you can't handle me, mate. Oh, whoa.
They must be stopped. We must cleanse the region of all plant cells.
Satellite recon shows a heavy Blackwood presence in the area. Your mission is to eliminate as many hostile forces as...
Stupid guy. No! Well, am I dying? Kidding me? Die? This guy drunk? Why am I on the ground? This guy's pissing me off. That was much harder than I expected. Saded. Like, that's exactly what I did on the first day. Like, everyone who I, like, semi-know, I just, like, I just went, like, sodded to him. I don't know where to go from here. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, that's where. Okay. I'm assuming that bar on the bottom is my stamina. Why am I still running? Try to drive that tractor. Sodded. Easy. What the frick? Mate, help me. Please, you're retarded. That's actually not doing anything, is it? The frick? I'm gonna die, mate. Piss off. Easy. Dude, I'm gonna die. This would suck if I actually though, cause like, this is like the first normal mission done and I die. I would just like, this guy with a shotgun's doing really good. Yeah, who's dying? Oh, what? I need to make it to a checkpoint. What is that? I'm triggered now. I died after trying to get the checkpoint. If one save me, mate. Yes, I've been revived. What the frick? Die! Why won't you die? Why won't that one guy just die? I feel like there's like a certain way to kill him, but I have no idea what it is. Is that his HB bar? How are you supposed to kill him? I'm gonna just nade him. He took no damage from a grenade. The frick? How did he kill him? That's so weird. I want one. Haha. Where are we going? Here? Piss off. That was fun, dude. What? Is this a prank, bro? Heal me! Did we all die? Sick, bro. I need you to move, though. I can't get revived if you... Medic! Medic! Stupid people are too many. I guess someone just like... We good? Excited? Where you guys at?
You did well, soldiers, but we're not done yet. Stand by for new orders.
I got one. When? Really? That KS is too much for me, dude. 90 damage. He gets a kill. I'm triggered.
This area is full of
Is someone down here?
Your mission is to secure this region.
I'm gonna stay on. Oh, what the? Can I not wallbang? I swear I saw something. There you are. I did a bunch of damage. Show yourself, mate. This guy is actually just... There you go. I'm out of ammo. How is he not dead? I got him. We still good.
Heavy gunner sighted. Rocket and advance through the sector.
I'm out of bullets. Oh my god, the stupid heavy guy. I hate this heavy dude. Where's he at? Oh, that's how you use it, okay.
Gunner
No, no, piss off, piss off, piss off. I hate this guy. Get energy back. How do I get that? Do I just walk around? How am I supposed to do that? He's got it, don't you? No, you don't. He's gonna end up getting a triple kill on us if we don't kill him. Oh, full on YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Whoa. Piss off, dude. What the heck? It's a team effort, guys. Kill him. Why is it focused on me? What have I done to you? Kill that nigga. Nigga, move. Why me? Piss off. Yes! We finally killed him, dude. These missions are pretty hard. I like this game. They're pretty challenging.
Ammo, health, and armor restored. Teammates survive.
Why me? Wow, my spray sucks. Whoa, that's so cool. Suck. Catches the Oh, rainbow, mate. Rainbow. Well, we're a fucking leprechaun, mate. Do we go down here?
Don't worry, help is on its way.
I got you guys. Easy. What is my tap firing? I swear I'm shooting at him in anyway. Easy. So dude, help me. Okay, I need to use that ammo pack.
Checkpoint reached. All expendables.
What the frick? Really, dude? Oh, nope. That's why the guy left. Really? This guy is triggering me. I want 30 kills, dude. Not. She dead? Oh my god. Dude, are we on land now? Are we gonna go down? Die, dude. Oh wow, he just got ran over. Piss off. Easy.
That got their attention. Now we're gonna hightail it out of here. Get to the chopper.
Easy. Is that it? Can we jump off? Get to the chopper. You gotta get to the chopper, man. This guy wants to farm them kills. He wants that MVP, bruh. Oh, this guy's gonna die. He's dumb. He's so dumb. I can't reach him and I'm not a medic. No, what?
Great job, team. Prepare for evac.
Oh my god. What? I'm not the MVP. That doesn't make any sense. What? I got like 10 more kills than this guy at least. Yeah, I have 44. He has. Oh, no. Never mind. Never mind. Nah, I didn't say anything. But I always get the most headshots though. And how is the shooting accuracy more? How is his shooting accuracy more? I'm triggered. Support points. Oh yeah, I'm not very supportive. I'm more of a me thing. But whatever. Oh, I'm almost a cadet senior, mate. Oh, well, that's part 2 of Warface. Stay country, mate.